And it's Tom at Lexus Northern Kentucky. This is a follow-up video to that LFA video I just made. This is now the vehicle that is made in the same LFA factory, or the former LFA factory, over in Japan. This is called the LC 500. Happens to be a convertible version. Naturally aspirated 5-liter V8, 471 horsepower, 398 pound-feet of torque. If you are unfamiliar with those terms, let's just say it's a lot. This is a paint called infrared. It is self-healing. So if you scratch it, it'll heal itself over time. I just love that. It all depends on the ambient air temperature. In the summer, it works faster. In the winter, it's a little slower. So just leather everywhere. And quite possibly the most beautiful car interior ever created. There's leather in this car in places that you just wouldn't even expect it to be, like on the sides of the seat, in the back, below the seat, on the roof, the inner lining of the roof, you know, the soft top roof. I'm no automotive expert. I haven't driven Lamborghinis and Ferraris. My goodness, that sound it makes, it's incredible. But there are those on YouTube who are automotive experts who have driven every vehicle out there. And some of them say that this is the finest car in the world. Anyway, just wanted to share. I'm Tom at Lexus Northern Kentucky. And, you know, if you're into cars that are luxury cars, first of all, but they're built even better than a Toyota. Toyota owns Lexus, created Lexus. Has higher resale value than any other company, the fewest amount of problems per vehicle than any other company, and the lowest cost of ownership of any luxury brand. In fact, the only company that has a lower cost of ownership is Toyota, which created Lexus. I mean, I'm not hyping anything. It's just, that's what the charts show every year. Anyway, after having owned 3 Toyotas over the years, and now 2 Lexuses, I can tell you Toyota is the greatest car company in the world, and specifically Lexus is the highest expression of Toyota. Again, Tom, Lexus Northern Kentucky. If you're interested in a quality pre-owned vehicle or a new Lexus, just call us up and ask for me. I'm the guy with the longest hair, so I'm easy to spot. Take care. Bye-bye.